for you guys that are still wondering how to apply these crazy nail strips. So I obviously really love Color Street. I love how easy it is. I love how easy it is to apply. I just slap them on my nails and I go. I don't have to wait or anything like that. So let's get started. I'm going to show you what comes in a pack when you buy a set of strips. So you will get one of these sets, and in each pack you get 2 alcohol swabs, you get 1 nail file, and you get a pack of strips. So there are 8 nails here, and you actually get 2 sets of these. So there's just one behind the other there. So there is plenty in here to do both a manicure and a pedicure, a mother-daughter. You could do, one for you and one for your friend. Anything works. We only recommend, that they're a one-time use. Because since they are 100% real nail polish, they can dry out. So you don't want to leave them ever sit out, because they will dry out and then you won't be able to apply them again. So let's get started right into the application. So I have bare naked nails. I have already taken all the polish off of them. I put, some cuticle lotion around them, and I've washed my hands. So the first step is you want to take the alcohol prep pad, and we're going to wipe down all the fingernails with the prep pad. And that just gets any dirt or oil that's still stuck on the nails and make sure they're super clean. So just go over all the nails and then give them a little, dry. It's a little dry. All right. So you always want to start at your pinky and work your way towards the thumb. And I will show you why in just a minute. So there is forgot about that. There is a clear strip that comes on the top, so you're just going to peel that off. And then up here on the silver tab, you're just going to peel right down. As you can see, it's very pliable. And then we're just going to pop that right off. So, see, super sticky. And then you're just going to line it up right on your nail. Like so. And then just press down. Now, if you make a mistake and it's not, perfect, you can lift them up and reposition it. Just don't press down hard until you're for sure that's where you want it to go. All right, so mine is all pressed down. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my thumbnail and I'm going to go right up underneath my nail and just kind of, push it up or push it in or under. And what that's going to do is that's going to perforate that for me like so. And voila. I don't know if you can see, but pinky number 1 is done. So super, super easy. And then I have all of this left over. Now this side is too big for my other pinky, so I have to use another strip for my pinky. But it's all about finding what fits your nails. Plastic is stuck. All right, so I'm going to do my other pinky. And so again, just line it up. And that is perfect. I'm going to press down. And then I'm going to take my thumbnail again, and I'm just going to push up underneath my pinky nail. And that's going to perforate the excess. Just going to press it down, and done. How simple was that? So simple. And look, I can touch it. I can put it in my hair, and they don't get messed up. It's perfect. So when you're done putting all of your strips on, you're going to want to take your prep pad and rub it right over top of it. And that's going to help cure the strips to your nails and help them dry a little quicker. So super easy. If you have any questions or anything, just let me know. You can comment below, send me a message, or comment in